The Logi Dock Flex is a managed docking station that delivers a better hot desking experience for employees and a greater ability to manage shared desks across multiple locations. Logi Dock Flex offers employees a personalized hot desking experience. No training or setup is required, so employees can plug in a laptop and get to work. This multi-purpose managed docking station makes it easy to enable hot desking. Clean cable management keeps desks free from clutter. Automatic single cable check-in provides accurate data on desk usage for better space planning. Logi Dock Flex can be deployed and monitored at scale from anywhere using Logitech Sync or other compatible platforms such as Zoom or Microsoft. What's in the box? A managed docking station, power supply with a regional AC cord, USB-C cable, magnetic dock, power supply bracket, and adhesive strips. Employees never have to guess which desk is free, occupied, or reserved. The screen clearly indicates desk status at a glance. The smart cable management is designed to keep employees connected day after day. Locked-in cables help you make sure desk peripherals aren't lost or unplugged. The Flex creates a hassle-free and personalized experience for hybrid employees. Stay tuned for upcoming videos featuring demonstrations of the Logitech Dock Flex.